Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Kapelani. He is still in hospital. He's laying down on his bed. He's asleep, and then as he's turning, he realizes ukuthi hayi man kunomuntu omile lana kanti unjengaye, and unjengaye is staring at him. At this point, I'm just like, Njengaye, give the man a break. Uyagula, like hayibo. Anyway, so Kapelani, when he notices that Unjengaye is standing there, he's like, oh, Bafo, yazi ungithusile. And then Unjengaye comes closer to him. He's like, fanele uthuke vele. Yabona lento ngizoyisho kube kanye. Ngeke ngiphinde ngiyiphinde. Uyabona le mbelekonyana yakho, le nonsense yembeleko, soze uyenze. Siyazwana? Kapelani is like, Bafo, kodwa sengixolisile nje, awusale uyidlulisa lento, idlulise Bafo. Iqiniso esibhekene nayo yikuthi ukwenzo, as he's trying to speak with Unjengaye, is like, ungabulinge ulibize lelo gama. And then Kapelani then says, Bafo, na uyazi ngesiko ukuthi fanele senze imbeleko, fanele ngimenzele ukwenzo imbeleko. Unjengaye then says, hey, hamba uyofa. And then Kapelani then says, ish Bafo, angazi, fanele uqole Makhutuzela. If I could, ngabe ngiyayixisha yonke lento esayenza nomakoti. Unjengaye then says, unesibindi. Yazi unesibindi? So ukuthi ungibuke emehlweni, ungikhombise ukuthi unguhlukumeze kangakanani. Then uKapelani then says, Bafo, manje nginenkinga lana. Yabona if ungazibeka ezicathulweni zami, ungabona ukuthi abaphansi are giving me an opportunity here. Fanele lento ngiyenze, ngiqondise for umndeni wami and for everything to align. Ukwenzo, Unjengaye is like, yey, ungabulinge. Ngithe ungabulinge ulibize lelo gama. Ngiyakutshela ke Bafo, hlukana nokwenzo. Hlukana nomndeni wami, hlukana nalo mbelekonyana yakho, hlukana with everything that includes me. And then anqaphe, and then he just walks away like that. I'm like, I get ukuthi Njengaye is hurt, but he's being selfish, you guys. Especially the fact that Kapelani is on his deathbed. Like, what must happen? Abo. Next scene, girl, we see Ubaba Uvuma. He is in his bedroom. He is polishing his katulo zakhe when Usamke walks into the room and she's carrying impahla zikaManqoba. So Usamke says, yazi nje, kodwa angifuni ukustressa, ithi ngihambe. Uvuma's like, hayibo, buya. Awungistress, hlala phansi utshela umyeni wakho ukuthi kwenze njani. Usamke ngempela ahlala embhedeni. She's like, yazi, bengithi ngizosiza uVelephi ngewashing kaManqoba, ngiyazi ukuthi uMatasa, ngiyazi ukuthi uVelephi ubusy, so I thought ukuthi angimhlisele umthwalo. Uvuma then says, how? Waze wamsiza, siyambongela. Inhliziyo yakho kodwa mantombela. Usamke then says, yazi, my heart is broken, kabuhlungu kabi. Impahla zengane zigugile. Ikhona kodwa ingane engaba nempahla ezinje. She is showing Uvuma the torn clothes. She goes on to say, that time lengane inomama osebenzayo, umama oholayo. Uvuma's like, yabona nami ke, shuthi mele ngiqale ngibeka amasentshana uze ngiyoxoshela umzukulwana nami. Then Usamke's like, no, singasiza la sisiza khona njengoba ngisiza ongukowashing ngokwamanje. Kodwa hayi akumelanga ukuthi siwaste imali yethu. Ingane ayizali ingane. Buka nje ukuthi zinjani. Hayi uyakwazi nje ukusebenzisa inalithi uVelephi. Uvuma then says, ya khona uqinisile. Akufanele ingane igqoke inguba zide zibe njena. Usamke then says, hayi kodwa akunankinga, angithi mina ngikhona, ngizosiza la ngisiza khona njengomakoti wakho. I'll patch the clothes so that for now the child can wear something that's decent. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, whatever Usamke is doing, listen, uphez why your shame. Anyway, next scene we see Utsina. She is at the parking lot. She gets out of her car. When she gets out of her car, we see Uphakamani. Uphakamani is like, how? Pentshisi. Utsina then says, ungangibizi ngalokho. Uphakamani is like, how ngizothini? Angithi umnandi wena. Utsina then says, what happened phakathi kwethu was a mistake, and he put her engizohleli ngizisola ngayo impilo yami yonke. Uphakamani is like, how? And then he starts laughing. He's like, ayi. Then Utsina's like, in. yini ngempela ehlekisayo kuyo yonke lento engiyishilo? UPhakamani is like, yazi into engikhazayo ngenhliziyo. Noma wena ungathi awufuni, yona iyafuna, yingakho lana. And then uPhina says, for your information, ngishadile. And then she shows him the ring on her finger. Futhi ngihappy. Ngisho nje mesidlulana endlini, ngicela nje ungidlule ngathi awungazi. UPhakamani is like, how? Ngathi angikwazi. How, sisi? Ngiyakwazi nje na. He comes close to her. He kisses her. She kisses him back. But after a while, she pushes him aside. UPhina is like, awukahle. Yindaba ungangizwa lento engiyishoyo. And then ulokhuzana uPhakamani says, inhliziyo. And then UPhina, she slaps him, anqaphe, and she leaves like that. But uPhakamani, it looks like he is charmed, even by that slap, because he's smiling. Anyway, next scene, Njengayi shame. He is so happy. He is at his happy place at uNomfundo's house. So uNomfundo brings in dishes so he can wash his hands. He's about to eat. So Njengayi is like, how ngiyabonga yazi uNomfundo zathi ngikwenzele ngendlela oyithanda ngayo ke. Inyama yakho i-tender and spicy ngale ndlela oyithandayo. UNjengayi then says, hayi cha ngiyabonga, yingakho ngifuna ukwenza unkosikazi wami ngoba impela hayi cha uyakwazi ukunakekela indoda. And then uNomfundo then says, hawu ngiyabonga. Yazi Sibalikhulu, bengicabanga lana ukuthi uqaphelani njengoba engubaba kaKwenzo uzofanele ukuthi umnikeze ithuba lokuthi enzele uKwenzo imbeleko. Yazi ngiyakhumbula uBoy simenzele eyakhe. He was so overjoyed. That time you can see uNjengayi's facial expression. He was so happy, and now usinile at this point. uNjengayi then says, Nomfundo, kahle nje. Musa nje ukuspoila yonke lento. Ngicela nje uqedelele ukudla kwami ngidle. uNomfundo then says, kithi ngizoba unkosikazi wakho Njengayi, mele unginikeze ithuba ukuthi ngikhulume, mekufanele ukuthi ngikhuluma amaqiniso. Iqiniso lithi, uqaphelani uyena ubaba kaKwenzo. uNjengayi is like, wena Nomfundo, ungenwe yini wena? Ukahle nje impela? uNomfundo then says, Sibalikhulu, do you know ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani enganeni yomfana ukuthi enzelwe izinto zayo ziqonde ngendlela efanele? uNjengayi then says, angazi ukuthi ungenwe yini ngempela, angazi. And then the scene just ends like that. Next thing there we see uSamke and uSipho and uManqoba. It looks like uSamke is visiting them kwaNtombela, and she brought lunch for uManqoba. So uSipho is feeding uManqoba lowo kudla. So uSamke is like, iyabona ke umfana kaGogo. And then uManqoba says, yum, kusho ukuthi he's enjoying the food. uSamke says, upheke kahle ngithi uGogo, he? And then she goes on to say ukuthi, I wish nginganibheka kanje usuku lonke indlela enginithanda ngayo. uSipho then says, ngiyabonga auntie. uSamke then says, ungubaba oqotho kodwa yazi mntanami. uSipho then says, hawu ngiyazama kodwa auntie. uSamke then says, uVelephi unenhlanhla to have you kakhulu futhi. Yikuthi nje ngesinye isikhathi ngibona ingathi uyi-single parent mntanami. Ayibo Samke. uSipho then says, auntie, I mean uVelephi uyazama. She's giving her best as a mother. Like akufani. uSamke then says, phakathi kwami nawe, since kwashona uDeliwe, angi-understand. uVelephi umunu nje, unoqhuku nje. uSipho then says, hawu kanti nawe uyabona lokho? Ingikhumbuza ngesikhathi when she left me noManqoba just ukuthi ayofilimisha lama music video akhe. uSamke is like, izwa nje, i-abuse leyo. Kodwa ke I get it, because the both of you have to naka uManqoba and take care of him. So manje aninaso isikhathi sokuthi nizikhiphe nobayi-two as a couple. Then uSipho says, lutho auntie. uSamke then says, nayi ingane ikhamisa mfunze futhi. And then uSipho then says, yazi auntie, mina noVelephi siphinde salwa namhlanje. Ngempela sidinga ukushawa umoya, sikhathele nje. uSamke then says, lalela ke. Cash olana, I was going to use it for some short shopping. Kodwa ke ngoba sengidlule la kunina, hambani nje eThekwini thatha le mali wena noVelephi niye eThekwini unendawo eziningi nje laphayana. uSipho then says hayi aunty ngiyabonga ngempela kodwa ngeke ngikwazi ukuthatha imali yakho aunty. uSamkeza like nonsense thatha. She puts the money in his hand. She's like niyadeserve ukuphuma nisebancane nina nishawe umoya mina ngizogada uManqoba angithi ngizogada ugogo wena. And then uSipho zathi ngiyambela aunty. uSamkeza like yeah fake epokothweni leyo mali. And then uSipho says ngiyabonga aunty. Guys, at this point I'm just like uSamke uphezkwani because I am sure njengoba she wants uVelephi benoSipho out of sight, there's something she wants to do. Anyway, next scene we see uPhetheni. She is visiting uSibongile esikolweni eResi, so we can see them they sitting le ngaphandle. So uPhetheni then says ngiyabonga ukuthi uvume sihlangane. Then uSibongile then says ukuthi hayi ayikho inkinga ma kuzwakala ingathi kuyaphuthuma. uPhetheni is like yeah khona and then uSibongile is like indaba ma kwenze njani. uPhetheni then says yazi njalo Sibongile, you are smart wena, you are very smart. Akufanele ukuthi ufunda kwi-university efana nalena. You deserve to be at a university ephambili engcono kunalena. uSibongile then says how kodwa ma ngiyayithanda lena njena. uPhetheni then says yeah kodwa angithi ungumakoti wakwaDlamini manje, which means ufanele ngokungcono kunalokho. Kodwa ke if usazimisele about finishing your studies ngingakwenzela leyo favor. I am thinking to myself, what do you mean ukuthi ngamenzela leyo favor? Because ubaba uVuma washo ukuthi if you want uSibongile to get married to your son, one of the terms and conditions is that umvumelene ukuthi aqede isikolo. So what does uPhetheni mean? What does she mean when she says ukuthi I'll give you that favor if you still want to finish imfundo zakho? Anyway, uPhetheni goes on to say ukuthi ngine favor engizoyicela la kuwena. Ala ukuthi ungikhulumele noKwenzo umtshela ukuthi ahlukane phansi nale ndaba yembeleko. Nginakujabulela lokho. Uyakulalela wena. uSibongile then says hayi ma angiqondile ukudelela but with all due respect that's not the right thing for me to do. Ma uKwenzo ngiyamthanda. Umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngimthembe and ngimeseke in everything he does. If yena ucabanga ukuthi imbeleko is something he wants to do, mina indawo yami okwami is to support him. uPhetheni then says Sibongile ngiyacela please. uSibongile then says ngiyaxolisa ma ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza lonto or ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza into efana naleyo ngiyaxolisa. The scene just ends like that. Guys, uPhetheni, even that request, I mean, I just feel like uPhetheni is asking for that request in hopes that this is going to save her marriage. Anyway, next scene we see uSamke ukwambalenhle and then we see her calling uBabsi. So she's like Babsi, then we yell Babsi. She's like ma. And then uBabsi says, uSamke then says, awusondele la mina. uBabsi comes over. And then uSamke is like, hlala phansi. Then uBabsi is like, okay. uSamke is like, awufuna ukwenzela uma wakho inhlanhla. uBabsi is like, okay. uSamke then says, ngifuna ukuthi ufonele ama-social worker ubatshele ukuthi uVelephi is not umama oqotho. Hi bo guys. uBabsi then says, hayi ma ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza leyo nto. uSamke is like, uzokwazi and uzoyenza. Babsi, ugcine nini ubona uVelephi ngamehlo akho? uBabsi just keeps quiet. uSamke then says, exactly. Sisiza yena ngalento esiyenzayo. uBabsi is like, kodwa ma sizothini kubaba uVuma if he finds out? Or if uVelephi uyathola ukuthi yimina, sizothini ngempela? ulokhuzana uSamke then says, lalela mntanami, akekho umuntu ozothola, okay? Ifoni ngiyenze ya private and wena uzoba anonymous. And then uBabsi is like, kodwa ma, uSamke is like, hey wena, uVelephi uthanda ukugroova. Oh shame uManqoba. Uthanda ukugroova akanandaba ngengane. Uyabona njengendlela yakhe uVelephi uManqoba uyambambezela. Babsi, uVelephi akakufuni. Uyakwazi lokho angithi? Why ufuna uzwelana noSathana? If uzwelana noSathana uzosha esogweni njengaye. Ungathi ukuthi angikutshelanga. uBabsi then says ukuthi sizothini ngoSipho ngoba phela uyamthanda uManqoba. Then uSamke then says, mntanami, nathi siyamthanda uManqoba. Nothing bad will happen to uManqoba, okay? Sizomgada. Me, thatha phone. She gives uPapsi ifoni. uPapsi takes the phone. She's like, good. Ufone ungakhohlwa igama lakho ngu-anonymous. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, uVelephi has declared war with the wrong person because listen, uSamke is willing to go that low. And the funny thing is that she knows, uNokuzana uSipho is her nephew. She's willing to hurt her own nephew just to get back at uVelephi. Willing to hurt her own grandson just to get back at uVelephi. Guys. Anyway, last scene, a heated scene, guys. uNjengaya is having a conversation with Wenzo. uNjengaya is like, yazi, angikholwa ke le. Yazi, angikholwa ndodana lena. After everything engikwenzele yona, uthando engikunikeze lona, konke, like ukunakekela kwami, wenza sekunje. Wenza then says ukuthi akukho njalo baba. uNjengaya then says akukho njalo. Akukho njalo wenza kanjani kwenzo? Wena ufuna ukuthi uKaphelani akwenzele imbeleko, akwazise emadlozini akithi ezindodana yakhe. Njani kwenzo? Mina lokho la kumbeka kuphi? Kwenzakalani he? Mfana wami. She then he holds uKwenzo by his head. It's like, ngiyakuthanda mfana wami. uKwenzo says ngiyakwazi lokho baba. At this point, uKwenzo starts crying. uNjengaya says, you are the apple of my eye. uKwenzo then says ngiyakwazi lokho baba. uNjengaya is like, manje pho yini lento ayenzayo? Ungavumela kanjani enye indoda ibe ngubaba kuwena? Kanjani kwenzo? uKwenzo says, wena ubaba wami njena. Wena ubaba wami. Angazi ukuthi ufuna ngithini. Okay, fine. Biologically uKaphelani ubaba wami. Guys, that time they are both crying because this thing is hurting them. But anyway, the scene just ends there. I think it's a very selfish thing for uNjengaya to put uKwenzo in such a position. But this is what happens, guys, when you take children and have favoritism. Because uNjengaya has favoritism amongst his children. Out of all his children, uKwenzo is the golden son. And now when it happens that the golden son is not his real son, he kind of feels like he's been ripped off of his identity. And that's why this thing is hurting him so much. Because he could have accepted it gracefully. It doesn't mean uKwenzo is going to be out of his life. Do you understand what I'm saying? Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.